enrolled as an incubation student in starting of July. From there I learned I learned Java and SQL. Nandisha taught Java easily for me as because of I'm from not IT background. I found the Java easy now after his teaching. Then SQL sir also teach SQL so simple and easy to understand the commands. And I wanted to thank Karnika ma'am for teaching programming class very well. Finally, I have to thank J2W sir. He was taught us to do new Java projects, and he motivated us to get interviews and he taught us how to face interviews. Then I want to thank HR team for make the interview process so simple. Thanks.